What's up, guys? Jeff from Vera Guitars here.
And I'm Daryl.
And we are here to tell you about a brand new product that just released from Fender. This is the American Ultra Luxe Vintage. And these models come in 50s and 60s flavors. And what we're holding here today are the 50s Strat.
And the 50s Tele.
That's right. And man, these features are amazing. What Fender has done is they've basically married the Ultra line and the Vintage line into a beautiful guitar that comes with some great aesthetics and appointments, such as the Ultra neck, stainless steel frets, locking tuners, and as well as the Ultra cuts and finishes on the guitar. So vintage paint, some beautiful checking here on the guitar, as you can kind of see. And we've got some better pictures online, so if you want to check those out, you can. But the big thing that we love about these guitars, well, myself, at least what I really enjoy about this guitar, is the pickups. These 50 style pickups on this Strat sound phenomenal.
And the 50s in this Tele do not disappoint at all as well. They're just phenomenal. And then some other appointments that are really cool on this 50s Tele that I love are the forearm cut right here, the belly cut, and then your access cut right up here. It's just so nice to actually play high on the frets on this guitar.
Yeah, and the compound radius neck coupled with this heel cut on all the guitars create a really modern, fast playing neck and fingerboard, whether it's a maple fingerboard or a rosewood fingerboard. They just feel great. And what's an additional feature here too is just the paint colors, right? Like, so this is the one that comes in Sunburst. That's a butterscotch blonde. We've also got some 60s versions here as well that just absolutely out of the gate, set them up, tune them up. They're perfect.
The checking blows me away, and the camera's not going to do it justice, but there's literally checking from the bottom of the guitar all the way up to even the headstock, the tuners, all up in this area, on the neck as well. And you don't feel it. That's the beautiful thing on the neck. You do not feel it at all. And the glowing dots are just another thing that's just phenomenal if you're in a dark space and you need to see your neck on a dark stage. It really is just very nice to have. We're gonna actually go ahead and do some demos of them, so stay tuned. Let us know what you think in the comments.